Kynshi Hydroelectric Power Project KHEPP, which is located in the West and Southwest Khasi Hills district, has the potential to generate 290 megawatt of electricity. However, the land acquisition process has been delayed by the state government's revenue department. On Monday, the Landowners Association under the umbrella of the Sinjuk Ki Nongsan Charge Nong Warsan Ling Do Sangriang and Maupon area, which will be affected by the project, had raised the issue on this matter. Rosia Marthong, Vice President of the Sinjuk, said that the Kynshi Hydroelectric Power Project Stage 1, which has been allotted to the private firm, completed the investigation and a detailed project report DPR in 2012.
Nakutani kakam bertemu boarding hanika ruang Kynshi ke demi. Makanya projek kawa mulu acimutoi. Kita tumba kisnong kumukran di kisnong kibaran hasnda tu projek kibangar kita sakla ini projek kinyon slok hadu minta. Pada ini pada pentra ini projek kini kisnong para kinyo pantai slok.
Now let's have a look at the weather report.